Real Carbon Inc. specializes in custom carbon fiber fabrication, delivering high-quality, precision-engineered composite products. Our expertise includes designing, optimizing, prototyping, and manufacturing carbon fiber structures. We use domestically sourced, high-quality carbon fiber to ensure precision in meeting customer requirements. Our fabricating services include compression molding and bonding of non-metallic and metallic subcomponents. We use CNC machining, cutting, and drilling to deliver assembly-ready high-strength plates, armor, rods, tubes, and many custom carbon fiber enclosures. Our engineering services encompass CAD, CAM, CAE, product development, and optimization of existing products for efficient manufacturing solutions. Engineering completes prototype part finishing, assembly, and QC to optimize product design and processes. We use rapid prototyping technologies to manufacture molds, CNC, assembly, and QC jigs for composite projects. Real Carbon makes parts for the aerospace, industrial, marine, medical, military, musical, golf, and UAV, UAS markets. We are ITAR registered and a Tier 1 and 2 supplier to the Department of Defense, Boeing, Collins Aerospace, and Acquired Technologies, Inc. Contact us today to learn more about our services.